All right, I have a few little projects today. This is a go-kart, but not any type of go-kart. This is a go-kart that has a car body. Then it has you sitting basically in the center, but you're sticking out from the sunroof. If you haven't seen one of these are actually really cool. And I've never actually seen just the frame in person. So this is gonna be a pretty nifty little project. So first off, we have to cut this ring, grind it down, clean it up, weld it, and get that side finished. And then this bar here, I don't know where it went originally or what it was even for, but I'm gonna cut it and probably just make a new bar that goes straight down to kind of reinforce this side and then do another one on this side. And then the body kind of like sits down and it rests on these corners. So I'm gonna put a bar straight across to support the body a little bit better. And then we're removing the scrub brake completely, just gonna cut it all off. Cutting the old motor plate and then making a new one for the center. We are coming right along with this thing. I'm pretty stoked about it. So, issue that we've had is that I think this would be actually really easy to make, by the way. But we have the front axle, well, spindles, whatnot. But we have the main frame. And this right here was so off. It was off by 11 degrees. So right now, this is as close as I can get it. I think it's relatively, I mean, it's way better than it was. It was off by 9 degrees. So it's really bad. So I cut this one, lifted this up. This one just basically twisted. But what happens is that this axle part is going to be moving out and that one's moving in. So that's okay because now at least this is flat and like straight. So when I weld a plate on here for the live axle, no, it'll be at least flat and it's not going to be crooked. I believe once you sit on it, like your weight will probably like balance it all out, but I don't want that. So, but now this is going to be, you know, like this is moving out, this is moving in, which now the axle won't be square anymore, but that's okay because we're doing a live axle setup anyway. So we'll put a plate here, we'll put the bearings on here and then just square it with the front and like move it back and forth whenever we have to make it so it's square. And that's kind of the concept behind it. I just really wanted this to be more flat because this plate here, when you stuck this motor mount plate on, it would like wobble really, really bad. And now it's going to be a little bit better. So I'm going to end the video here and then I'll update you guys with a part 2.